In this video, I will show you how to check if someone read your WhatsApp message, even if the blue tick is turned on or turned off in WhatsApp, to check your message status info you send to any contact. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and open up the contact you want to check. So I'm going to use this contact as an example. Now, this particular message here has been sent, but as you can see, blue tick was not indicated right here. So how do you check if they actually received the message? Go ahead and simply click and hold down on the message. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on info. And here you go. Send and deliver with this certain date. It's that simple. So with that, this proves to you that this person here have received and read the message that you sent to them, whether picture, text, or video as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WhatsApp topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.